Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is the cutest video I've ever made because of this. So cute. I'm living. It's the cutest bow pillow I've ever seen in my life. I was on Pinterest and I seen these bow pillows and I was like, hold up, let me cook. Let me feed the starving crochet community. But yeah. So this pattern is so beginner friendly, so easy. If you need help because you just started crocheting, I have beginner tutorials on every stitch that I used in this pattern. And yes, tag me if you guys do this. Check out my social media. I can't wait to show you guys this today. Let's get started. I started off with the Yarn Bee Velvety Smooth Blush yarn. I feel like this yarn gave like a little bit of a shine, like the pillows that I saw on Pinterest. So that's why I chose this yarn, and it's super easy and smooth to work with. And I grabbed my 5.75 millimeter crochet hook and my scissors and my yarn needle. And you'll also need some polyfill stuffing. This is the shape that we're starting out with making, just like a big rectangle. I started with a slip knot and then I chained 21. You can make this bigger or smaller. Mine was like medium, but I feel like I could have made it a lot bigger. But I did 21 chains. Next, I started half double crocheting from the second chain from the hook. And if you guys need any help with any of these stitches, I have beginner crochet tutorials in my YouTube shorts. But I just did 20 half double crochets all the way down. After I finished row 1, I went ahead and chained 1 and then half double crocheted all the way down again, making sure to tuck my string as I go, because it just makes it so much easier later on. And I just continued this all the way for 32 rows total. You can do more or less, but I just continued half double crocheting all the way down, chaining 1, turning my work, half double crocheting all the way down for 32 rows. And you're gonna make 2 of these. Next, we're starting on the little bow tie things, and we're gonna make 4 of them. Starting with a slip knot again, we're gonna go ahead and chain 5, and then from the second chain from the hook, you're gonna start single crocheting, and then chain 1, turn your work, single crochet 4, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet 4, and just continue that for 40 rows. You could do more or less, but I did 40. And then make sure to tuck your strings as you go. So now that we've made all the pieces that we need for our bow, I just start kind of envisioning how I want it to look and get that like bow form going on. Then I placed all 4 of our ties like how I want them to be, basically like lining 2 up with each other and then 2 up with each other, and then wrapping it around just once, and we're gonna sew it on to like the back of the bow, like on the bottom like this. Placing my yarn through the needle, and then I just start sewing away at exactly where I want those bottoms of the ties to stay and look seamless. My cat Zen literally wants my attention so bad. Like, look at him. He cannot stand me not giving him attention. And I just tied it about 3 times, and then I cut my strings a little bit shorter, and then I tucked them like behind the tie part so that you can't see the loose ends. Now it's time to start sewing everything together. So I just went in at the top and I just made sure I had a long enough string, and I just started sewing it. And once it got to the point where it was like maybe like a quarter sewn, I started putting a little bit of stuffing in, and then I would sew more and then put more stuffing in, and just doing that until I sewed it closed. And I did that for both of the ties. Then I started sewing the bow shut, and I just went around and sewed it till I got to like the top part of the bow, and that's when I started putting the stuffing in. And then I sewed it to where it was almost completely sewn, and then I put just a little bit more stuffing in, and then I sewed it shut, and then obviously did that on both sides. And then it's all done. You have the cutest bow pillow literally ever. OMG. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys were able to make this super cute bow pillow with me, and it ended up as cute as mine. And yeah, tag me if you do this. I really want to see your guys's work and bow pillows. And check out my social media. I post a lot of stuff on Snapchat that's crochet that I don't post anywhere else, and Instagram too. I've been using Threads and Pinterest, and yeah, all my socials will be down below. I'm also gonna start Reddit. Also, I think I'm gonna start knitting. Like, I really want to knit now. Like, I never wanted to knit, now I want to knit. So I might start knitting and have a little knitting vlog. And yeah, I have a Hawaii vlog coming up, and I've made 3 or 4 super cute outfits for Hawaii. Can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be like a crochet vlog. I'm not gonna really be crocheting a lot in it, but it's gonna be like in my crochet stuff. And yeah, I think it'll be fun. I feel like this is like a really good like Christmas decor thing moment too, like in whatever color. I just so stinking cute. Or summer, like this is just so cute. Like, oh my gosh, I'm literally like clapping for myself right now. Super easy and cute. I just, yeah, I love you guys. I'm definitely becoming more consistent, and my website is going to be out sometime in 2025. So yeah.